And then now we're going to push the wire back up into the ceiling and then lay these wires in here nicely so that they won't be in the way. I'll push that back up. Take our screws now. This really isn't proper how they have this with just these drywall screws, but it appears to have been working, so I'm going to continue with what was working here. And we're going to put that in place like that. Oh, crack it. Okay, then we're going to put this other one in. Put a loosen up on that just a little. And I'm going to push this around so I can find where that other screw hole was. Is that it? Where's the other? Is that it? There's one there. Okay, maybe this will work. I'll put a couple of screws into here. That's not right. I'm going to pull that back off, I think. Maybe that'll work. Tighten up on that. Okay, that'll work. Okay,